Join me as we create this animated, amazing post for your social media and how to make sure that you upload it on YouTube and it animates. So first you're going to create a canvas, and we're going to be using an Instagram post, a blank one. The size for an Instagram post, the 1080 by 1080, is the exact size that is required for your YouTube posts if you are fortunate enough to have the community post or the community functionality available to you. So once you've opened the canvas, you just edit it and change color exactly the way that you want, and you start adding text. So you press T for text, and then you change your font to whichever font that you like. So I'm particularly very much in love with this Chewy font that I found the other day. So you add your content the way that you like. So once you've added your text, you can then add whatever additional highlights that you want to add on your post. So I went on the elements and I looked for exclamation, and I could use any one of these, but I chose this one that's already animated. So you click once on it and then you size it so that it fits the post that you're currently creating. I saw another one that I like. This one is also nice, that you could add maybe above your text, so you can play around with it and make it your own. And then if you want to use a picture of yourself, you can add a picture just to make sure that it personalizes it if you want to. So I went with the picture of the wow guy that I found here, and I just added him here. I removed the background. I went edit and I removed the background. So for now, this remove background is available for pro version users. If you have a pro version, you can do it inside Canva. If you don't, you can use remove background. So once your post is done, then it's important to start animating the individual elements separately, the way that you want them to come in on the actual post itself. So I'll start with the exclamation. You click on it and you click on animate, and then on your left hand side, then you get to view element animation, which makes the different elements animate separately. And then animate the picture of the guy of the guy. And there's your post done and dusted. So you play it to have a view how it looks like, and then once you're happy, the most important thing, especially when you're going to be posting it on YouTube, you need to download it as a GIF. So you would click on download, and then it will automatically suggest an MP4 video. You can't upload MP4 videos on YouTube. You can upload short clips, which are GIFs. So you click on GIF and then you will download it, and then it would download as a GIF. Once it has downloaded and you are ready to upload it on your YouTube channel, then you're going to go to the community tab. If you have this functionality available and you have more than 500 subscribers on your channel, then you're going to select the image option, and then you're going to drag and drop that GIF. As you can see, it shows that you can add up to 5 images or 5 GIFs that you own. So it's very important that you upload your own content. And there's your GIF playing nicely. Next, you can go down to the description below and try Canva Pro for 30 days and see how you like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time when you say, I am designing.